অঞ্জলি ভরিয়া সদা দীপ্ত রহে অক্ষয় জ্যোতি জীবনে কিরণে আনন্দধারা বহিছে বসিয়াছো কেন আপন মনে স্বার্থ নিমগ্ন কি কারণে বসিয়াছো কেন
which always used to be very not prominent on the online situations, online situations, but now you all are coming and really, as I have said in my session with you all, that this is a journey in which we both have embarked, and the journey is in the making of our better version, best version. You all are unique in your own way. You have to understand, you are already you have started making a shift from inhibition to productivity. And today you are going to showcase your talent. Your teachers are going to see, children have come from, they will also watch you, and we are going Facebook Live also. Our all the children from St. Stephen's School, Bidadi, parents also going to watch your caliber. So just grab this moment and enjoy. Don't allow any fear factor to come in between. You understand? Enjoy this moment, because one thing you remember, this moment, 22nd December 21, is never going to happen in your life again. So just absorb this, enjoy, and just, what should I say? Yeah? Put a mark or put an impression on everybody. Okay? So now who is going to come here? Preeti, madam, yes, please guide them, and I'll come to you, because we are teachers. We have these brilliant students of class 9 have created. They have put their own insights. They have in the platter. I don't know what is there, and I believe they are going to give us a lot of entertainment, lot of memories. They are going to give us. So I will request, since we don't have lot of audience today because of this pandemic situations, students are doing commendable job, because please, we all are teachers, yet we know that making a shift is very difficult, even for us also, because if anybody has said that you have to perform tomorrow, we get in a panic mode. Believe me, children, it's not you, we also go in panic mode, but they have only got one day and they are bringing this beautiful, going to bring this beautiful event. Just my request to all the teachers, give full applause for them. They want it, and maybe, I don't know, they are definitely going to do it wonderfully. So give lot of appreciation in the form of clappings. They want that always. Okay?
रहेगा तू ही बजा तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं मुझे लिए तू जीते मैं हार जाऊँ आजा करेंगे बनी शरारतें तू भागे मैं हार जाऊँ मीठी सी हो गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ तेरा यार हूँ
Which team has won the most number of UCL titles and how many titles? UCL titles.
UEFA Champions League.
Yes, yes.
So Real Madrid. Real Madrid.
You sure, sir?
Real Madrid 13 times. Real Madrid 13 times.
Sir, think again. Think again.
Real Madrid. Real Madrid.
Yes, it is the
13 times.
Big round of applause for our Rajan sir. Big savior.
It starts with 8.
On the elves and the shoemaker. 3 elves and they are going to do the skit verbally. Please enjoy this moment.
Sure, sure. Anything?
Good morning everyone, good morning teachers and my friends. Today we have prepared a small skit and the name of the skit is The Elves and the Shoemaker. It is by Jacob Grimm and Wilhelm Grimm and the characters are Shoemaker, Shoemaker's wife, customer 1, customer 2, F1, F2 and F3 and the children. Scene 1 at the shoemaker's home. Once there lived a poor shoemaker. The shoemaker was so poor that he could only buy leather for one pair of shoes at a time to make shoes for his shop.
It's very late, darling. When are you going to finish the shoes tonight?
No, I don't have enough time. And I was so hoping to have a pair to sell when we opened in the morning. Oh well, I will finish the shoes tomorrow morning as quickly as I can.
You may be able to finish them in time to sell tomorrow. Have hope and let's go to bed.
Scene 2 at the shoemaker's shop. The next morning, when the shoemaker and his wife came downstairs, a wonderful surprise waited for them.
Wow, it's a miracle. The shoes, they are finished.
I can't believe this.
That day, a customer came into the shoemaker's shop.
We have our next program starting with jokes from Utsav.
I am often asked, is Google as a man or a woman? My simple answer, it's a woman because it won't let you finish your sentence without making a suggestion.
I didn't understand.
Women always give suggestions.
It's men centric.
I revolt. I revolt.
Speech from Abhyutas. Welcome.
সুপ্রভাত শিক্ষকরা আর আমার প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, আজ আমি 25 ডিসেম্বর কেন সেলিব্রেট করা হয় আমি এটা বলতে চাই। চতুর্থ শতাব্দীর প্রথম ক্রিসমাস পালন করা শুরু হয়। প্রথম দিকে এই দিনটিকে উৎসব আকারে পালন করা হতো না। যিশুর জন্ম এবং মৃত্যু কয়েকশো বছর কেটে যাওয়ার পর 25 ডিসেম্বর পালন করা শুরু হলো। অনেকে মনে করে
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. So now I'm going to ask some questions. So my first question is, how long is an Olympic swimming pool? Means the
Size.
yes size.
20 meters, 24
150 feet long. What is the size? 150 feet long. Sir, in meters can you tell? 50 meters? Yes sir.
Sir is mathematician,
Tornado, why you ask this now? Bring your hands up. Yes, yes. Yes, Kaviru. Yeah, hold out. We are counting the seconds. Yes, yes. Kaviru out. Yes, Sandeep is also giving the effort. Yes. Everyone, yes, please. Yes, teachers. Others also, please. Round of applause for them. Yeah. We are counting the time. Yes, going on. Very good. Very good. Anish out. Yes, shout. Yes. Gone. No more. Yes, second one. Oh no. Rishi. Yes, no. Second one also no. Yes. Gone. That just gone. Rishi. Yeah. Just mixed out. Still now, why is 0 and girls in 1? Yes, Usa. Rishi.
आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ, तो प्लीज ध्यान दो। बाधाएं आती हैं, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पाँव के नीचे अंगारें, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में आग बनाकर, हंसते हंसते जलना है, कदम मिलाकर चलना है, धन्यवाद।
देखो ये आंसू के बूंदे पत्तों की गोद में यूं आसमां से खो दे अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक सी मोती हंस दे फिसल कर होना चाहिए ये सारे जमीन पर।
सुप्रभात सभी को बहुत बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया। छोटी सी जोक हमारे तरफ से चुटकुले। संता बंदा के जोक्स तो हम लोग ने बहुत सुने हुए हैं, ठीक है। उन्हीं में से कुछ 2-3 मैं सुनाने जा रहा हूँ, गौर फरमाइए। संता, क्या हुआ, क्यों उदास बैठे? बनता, कल एक न्यूज चैनल की एंकर ने कहा था, आइए हम आपको गोवा लेकर चलते हैं। तभी से बैठा हुआ हूं तैयार होकर, आ गया ही नहीं। डॉक्टर, तुमने आने में देर कर दी। क्या हुआ डॉक्टर साहब, कितनी वक्त बचा है मेरे पास? डॉक्टर, मर नहीं रहे हो, 6 बजे का अपॉइंटमेंट था, 7 बजे आए हो।
और छोटे बच्चे, मेरी एक कविता ख्वाहिशें। कैसी है ये जुस्तजू, कैसी है ये आरज़ू, बेसब्र चल रही है सांसें, किस मंजिल की है तलाश न जाने हमें। राहें हैं जो खत्म नहीं होती, मोड़ जो है कम नहीं होते, लम्हे हैं आरज़ुएं हैं जो खत्म नहीं होती। छोटे थे सपने जब ठीक न समझ कोई, उम्र के साथ सपनों के दायरे भी बढ़े, कल जो थे फिक्र से पड़े। आज उन कंधों पर दायित्व बढ़े, मौजों में होने का तो बस बहाना। शुक्र है इन मौजों को थाम कर हम जी रहे हैं। ख्वाहिशों का वर्णन कर सपने दिखाकर न जाने कितने तोड़ दिए।
वाह, दिल जीत ली।
And the name of the poem is Daffodils. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over wells and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, that stretched in never-ending line, along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprintly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but begin in such a junctured company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the suit me had brought. For oft went on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, there flashed upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Thank you.
Great, a big round of applause. All of you, all of us. Rather Shorendu also. Very nice, Sharadhan, and as always, Shayan sir. Beautiful, all of you. So with this, we'll be coming to the end. And I now request vote of thanks will be given by Tanisha. So over to you, Tanisha. I want a lot of smile in your face.
Please have your attention, please. Good afternoon, dear teachers and my friends. Our little offline program, St. Stephen's School India Carnival, has come to an end. In the midst of the fall and the gloom of threatening COVID-19 all around, this is the best we could do. I cannot say how much I missed our winter carnival 2 years back. The month-long practices, the pomp and gaiety, and the festivities following our annual function is etched in our memories. I remember the game stalls, the food, and the grand festivities. I pray just like all of you that the lockdown ends and our classes begins and as usual. I hope that we all shall have a grand annual function followed by the winter carnival on the ground as usual. But my heart goes out to those who lost their lives in this pandemic. Lastly, I want to take this moment and thank our principal ma'am, our class teacher Vidhi ma'am.
Once more.
Lastly, I want to take this moment and thank our principal ma'am, our class teacher Vidhi ma'am. Thank you, my friends, and all the teachers here today. It is because of their effort that we are able to perform here today, and we are all really thankful for that. I end my speech with the hope that life normalizes and we all shall go to school like we used to. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tanisha, and lastly from Durga ma'am, our last vote of thanks.
So good afternoon to everyone. So today I think so the day will be there in our memory because many times from the morning our principal ma'am has also told it's 22nd of December 2021. I think so first of all on behalf of my school, dear teachers, all the other staff members, Preeti ma'am and obviously the students for one day. But yes, with little bit more expression next time when you read your dialogues. So many thanks to everyone for making the day very memorable and for making it really happen. And I think so this is one of the like a great convenience or the opportunity which we have received almost after 1.5 years. It's almost going to be 2 years. So we have come to 2 years with this. So many things went on, things have changed, things have passed on. The procedure, I think so, of the whole decorum, everything has changed. We are trying to get back the things as far as possible in our regular way back how it was to be. This was not exactly what we see today, is the scenario of our carnival or during our annual Christmas time that we do. So I think so the students, they all remember. So what we mainly miss is because after October and when the puja gets over, so the main thing that comes for the students especially to miss their classes and to go for the rehearsals, and for the teachers also we really get engaged into this kind of rehearsals because normally we do our carnival for 3 days and then for 1 day annual program also and then we put it off. So it's a long thing of 4 days that we used to take, and for that 1 month or more than 1 month we used to take the preparation. So last day while I was talking, even class 7, they are also telling that they miss this thing, especially with that after this excursion also that we used to take in the month of January, and then after that I think so there is annual sports day also. So that is also one of the another thing. So back to back with the entry or with the onset of this winter, we get lots of program in the school lineup. So we do fulfill this up. So this is just a small scenario that been really very memorable for everyone. So if you have not been there, that how we have actually celebrated with the annual program and with the Christmas, everything that we have done. And thanks to everyone.
I just want to add on to this that every thing has its good thing and bad thing. We can say that we used to do it a huge way earlier, right, children? But this today we have the way we have celebrated. It has its own uniqueness. Yeah, we never got this opportunity to make our teachers dance on the same platform, and students are also dancing together. Yes, we have always thought of but it was only in our thought process. So today this has made this event happen together, and I think you have learned. We have come close to each other in the making of bonding with each other. Anish, I think you are new to the school, so you have taken lot of collected memories from this today's event is a remarkable. And please also I want to showcase this beautiful bulletin board has been decorated by our teachers. So big round of applause for the middle portion in Lawrence Panika. And all the teachers have contributed in their own way. It's a beautiful piece. You can take selfie against this. So this we will be keeping it outside again, and we can take lot of photographs in front of the age. And last but not the least, so from today we are going off for vacation, and we are again reopening on 4th of Jan. So wishing you a very happy Christmas.